Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a new educational course. This course is suitable for those who want to learn infrastructure as code, IAC, concepts with a strong focus on Terraform and cloud environments like AWS, GCP, and Azure. It's ideal for developers, system administrators, or infrastructure architects aiming to dive into DevOps and obtain an official Terraform certification. It's perfect for beginners seeking hands-on training with real-world projects to implement automated infrastructure. The course has a rating of 4.4 and over 21,000 students, making it a successful one. Its current price is approximately €50. By purchasing this course, you get full lifetime access along with future updates. The course duration is 15.5 hours and includes 16 related articles. Here's what you'll learn in this course. Learn Terraform basics and advanced concepts like modules, interpolation, state files. Infrastructure as code. HashiCorp configuration language. Be able to apply DevOps techniques. Launch AWS EKS cluster using Terraform. Learn basic GCP and Azure concepts. Launch GCP and Azure resources using Terraform. Now I have a special offer for you. I want to give you free and fully legal access to this practical course. To find out how, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Now open your browser and type couponcenter5.com in Google search. Click the link that appears in the results. Make sure the address matches what is shown here and you are directed to couponcenter5.com. After clicking the link, you'll reach the home page of the site. There you can find various course discount coupons. Use the search bar to look for the course you're interested in. Now you'll see the course you are looking for. To get the discount coupon, scroll down and click the Go to the Course button. The course has now been made available to you for free. Please note that the coupon has a limited time. With just a few clicks, you have gained free and legal access to this course. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.